So we asked Michael to come here and then to have wild camping in this city. And did you know what he said to me? He said, I don't want you to end up camping in the backyard of someone. And that's the backyard of someone. Stop it. The dream become true.
Well, I have a small confession, but I know it's just a lesson I have to see. And I'm hoping and I'm trying, cause I know that you're relying on me to be the one and only person that can save you from this life you live. And I'm sorry, but this is all I have to give. Hurry up and make a move, cause they're waiting. Hurry up and see this through. Just don't let me down.
Yeah, we are cheating.
Anna's
We're not
so
hiking.
excited
I
about
wanted
it.
to hike, but people here are too lazy.
You wanted to hide?
Hike.
You wanted to hike? We are hiking by train now. You can't walk all over the train. You can't go and back, go to bathroom and back, like hiking. What you want more? 2 hours by train, that's hike for us.
It is the same old story we know so well. It's the same old story. It is the same old story we know so well, so well. I swear I'll make it. I will not let you down. God knows we deserve it. At any cost, against all odds, I will. Well, I've been staying up for days trying to find the ways I can succeed. But no matter what they say, gotta do it anyway, I must believe. And even though I'm tired and I feel like I'm dying, I can't give up. I'ma get up on the stage, I'ma sing it anyway till I can't breathe. Hurry up and make a move, cause they're waiting. Hurry up and see this through. Just don't let me down. It is the same old story we know so well. It's the same old story. It's the same old story we know so well, so well. I swear I'll make it. I will not let you down. God knows we deserve it. At any cost, against all odds, I will.
Michael to come here and then to have wild camping in this city. And did you know what he said to me? He said, I don't want you to end up camping in the backyard of someone. And that's in the backyard of someone. The dream become a truth.
Okay, may I just say something?
No, you don't say something. No.
We had enough.
But you don't.
This is Ben. Ben is very happy. Sorry. Ben is very happy to be used. That's why. Let's put it inside, okay? We don't want the trash.
No, we are really happy that we could be here because we met this old woman, Charlotte.
Oh, she's so nice. So
Amazing.
nice.
She gave us like I don't know, not all the food, but really a lot of
Most-
food.
Yeah,
And Swiss chocolate and
yeah, so
and
expensive.
pasta.
Like, so
Expensive,
much
right?
food.
Right,
And
right.
the key to her bathroom.
And key to the
That's the most
bathroom.
important thing in the
Amazing.
life.
I'm not sure if that is a good thing though. But
Yes, and so it was really nice because we was really good.
Doch, ist völlig blöd, ne?
That's it.
okay, 9
Oh
hours.
yes, the lake.
The lake, the beautiful lake.
The lake was beautiful, but it was a lot of trees.
People.
But it was so nice, like actually getting to swim. It was,
No, no.
yes.
Okay, we walked for 8 hours, like really fast.
No,
$8.
7 hours.
7 and
12,
30
no?
minutes.
7.
No, 40
Okay, we started at. We
45
all got up at
minutes,
6
50
o'clock.
minutes. 50.
We went to the train station at 7 o'clock. We traveled 2 hours by train, and then we walked from Constance without actually knowing the way.
Thanks
With
to
this
Badrik.
awesome great
But
group of
with
people.
Google Maps,
And yeah, my
There's a
description
correction of sharp 130 meters to the right, slightly to the left. We don't know what's the road until we decide what's left and right. But sharp, like you have to do it. Then we end up with Badrik Google Map was so annoying.
Oh
That
wait,
was
the
shit.
part where we like went in the circle and then we're like, no, actually you're going to end up where you started.
The story with the lady was that we were at
Guys,
the
start eating
graveyard
this
at the
pasta.
end, right behind the lake. We knew it was like half an hour to go. We were exhausted,
Oh my god.
and the lady saw us, and I think she must have, like, we must have looked very exhausted as well.
No, I didn't.
So she asked us if we could take cupcakes and a couple of backpacks, and like, well, she was an angel already. She drove Sophie to the campground, and then the thing with the campground happened that our reservation didn't get there. Something went wrong with
No,
the
it wasn't-
reservation.
no. Because
They
Sophie-
went
It was
wrong.
not my fault.
There was
It was,
no
I'm pretty sure. Like, what can I do? More than
Yeah,
writing
like,
an email?
we wrote
Like,
emails,
honestly.
No.
but we didn't have a reservation, and
Hey.
then Sophie waited here for us, and we came by here. We were like super surprised, and figured out that we were gonna camp in the backyard of the lady, so she became the ultimate angel.
So back to the story.
Yes.
This guy had been chosen by the guy. I'll tell you how. So I asked, he was begging Michael in his house, please let me go with Philip and Nemir and Matthias, you know?
I don't
Just
I
with
did
us.
that as well.
Yeah, and then I was confused between choosing Badrik because you know Badrik with us like the hell. Then this guy will show us the road over the wood. Over the wood?
I went into a lake for the first time in my life.
Ooh, say that. Oh my god, that's so cute.
It's taken me a lifetime of second, third, fourth, and fifth tries to find where I belong. And as it would turn out, it's a dark and lonely road to a million places that I don't know.
Immaculada. Immaculada.
So if home is where the heart lives, then you can call me hopeless, but just don't think I'm heartless at all. And if home is where you're standing, I guess I've been abandoned. I've been left to walk the earth to live without? Is it worth it to figure it out? How do I learn to feel without? So if home is where the heart lives, then you can call me homeless.
Das ist der freaking Weg, den wir gelaufen sind. Und dann haben wir irgendwie auch so 4 Stunden Umweg gegangen. Und jetzt dauert es irgendwie nur 5 Minuten mit dem Zug. 5 Minuten. Bei dem Schilling, der ist dann diesen ganzen Weg hier. Also, sowas. Diesen ganzen Weg hier. 7 Stunden. Mit diesem Zug hier 5 Minuten. Welchen Umweg sind wir gelaufen? Google Maps.
Hey, we wanted to go this way.
Oh, ja, und dann gibt es auch diese Leute, die glauben,
Aber wir
dass
wollten
das
ja einen Weg
absichtlich war.
gehen. Wir
Dass
wollten
es absichtlich war. Die Leute, die
wunderschönes
Reichenau sagen, statt Reichenau. Und das ist das Leben.
Wir wollten doch lang.
Heartless and and if home is where you're standing, I guess I've been abandoned, been left to walk the earth alone. So if home is where the heart lives, then you can call me homeless, but just don't think